Hello children, I hope you are solving percentage chapter, but no one is asking any question. It's okay, I hope you all are doing. Now some questions I want to deal. Exercise 7A, question number 13. Children, you need to understand the question first. The cost of a scooter depreciates every year by 15% of its value at the beginning of the year. If the present cost of the scooter is rupees 8,000, find its cost after 1 year and after 2 years. So there is a two-way, children. First of all, cost of scooter depreciate means ghatna, decreasing. Okay, every year it is decreasing by 15% of its value. So we will solve like this. Since present cost of a scooter is rupees 8,000, that is given, so depreciation of cost of scooter 1 year equal to 15% of its value. So value is 8,000. Okay, so 15% of 8,000 we will find out, that is 1200. Now depreciation in cost after 1 year. After 1 year means out of 8,000 subtract 1200. This is the 15% of 8,000. This is 15% of 8,000, that is 1200. 1200 subtract from 8,000, you will get 6,800. Means after 1 year the value would be 6,800. Okay, तो एक साल के बाद उसका दाम घट के 6,800 हो जाएगा. तो 15%, 8,000 का 15% हो निकालेंगे पहले, तो उसका 1,200 होता है. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट इज आस्किंग आफ्टर 2 years. So after 2 years in the same manner, so 15% of 8,000. Now this amount you will take as a original value. Okay. So because after 1 year the cost is 6,800. Now after 2 years we have to find out. So 6,800 into 15%. 15 by 100 we will find out. So 15% is 6,800. 15% is 1,020. So after 2 years would be, so subtract in the same manner, 6,800 subtract 1,020. You will get 5,780. Okay children. So this is the first method. In alternative method also you can apply in the same manner. It is shortcut way. Value after 1 year equal to present value. So present value is 8,000. Okay. 1 minus x by 100. X means 15%. 15 by 100. You will do subtract and multiply. You will get the same answer. Okay. This is also one more method. Easy method. Value after 1 year. Value after 2 year. Suppose you have to find. So multiply it same manner. 8,000 instead of 8,000. Second year you will take how much? 6,800. Okay. Then you will find out second year. And 1 minus 15 by 100 into again 1 minus 15 by 100, because so second year you are finding out. Okay. So this is the easy method. But I prefer this method is best for you. Don't go shortcut method. Okay. Go stepwise. This is for competition exam. So this method also you need to understand and learn. Learn means you need to understand the process, both process. But go through this process. This is more easy for you, stepwise. Okay children. And all the examples solved. Solved examples are also very important. You solve all the examples. Okay. All these examples. Now 7th B also solve. Any problem you can ask. 7th C. First question dealing. It is easy children. First question. A bag contains 8 red balls, 11 blue balls and 6 green balls. Find the percentage of blue balls in the bag. So first of all, total number of balls you find out. Question number 1, 7th C. First of all, total number of balls find out. Total number of balls equal to 8 plus 11 plus 6. How much? Add it. 25. Now you have to find out percentage of blue balls. You know how to find out the percentage of blue ball? The blue ball is 11. This is blue, this is red, and this is green. The blue ball you have to find out. So 11 out of how much? 25 into 100. 25 4 ja 100, 11 4 ja 44. So 44% is blue ball. Okay children, so in this manner you solve. Other examples also solve. Any doubt you ask. Clear?